Hello everybody, it's Melanie from Mel's Inky Fingers, and today I'm going to share some tips and tricks with you about using an inking technique called stamping off. This is a very simple technique and it allows you to get different color intensities of your ink within your stamped image or project. Now you can use multiple stamps and combine them with different intensities of ink, or you could use the same stamp and stamp it multiple times on your image. I'm going to show you how to create an image like this using one color ink pad where you can get varying intensities of ink on your project. So to do this technique, you're simply going to want a piece of scrap paper and a piece of your cardstock, and then of course one of your ink pads. I'm going to use the floral images from the Pretty Floral stamp set. And I'm first going to stamp my background. So I'm going to ink this up and simply stamp it on my scrap paper. And once you do that, it is going to pull off some of the ink, which will then allow you to stamp on your project with a lighter intensity. Now, sometimes with darker inks, you can even stamp a second time and get an even lighter image. Then you can come in with a second stamp and you can stamp over the top so that you have varying intensities of ink within your same image. So this makes it look like you have used 3 different colors of ink and you've really only used one. I hope you try this technique on your projects and use this as a way to stretch the color that you can receive from stamping with your ink.